Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by committing to one consistent medium, paper, or a single app because consistency builds habit. First, date the top and write a one-sentence intention for the day. This anchors your focus. Next, record a quick gratitude line and one measurable goal, then stop. This is the only way, short, repeatable, and disciplined. Once done, you'll know exactly where to pick up tomorrow. Make sure to set a timer so you don't overthink the start. You now move into the core routine. Record facts, name feelings, and write one concrete action step. Start with the facts, what actually happened, so you ground the entry. Then say how you felt. Naming emotion increases awareness. Finally, write a single next action tied to yesterday's goal because linking builds momentum. Once you finish, rate progress as a % to signal improvement. Make sure to keep each section short so the practice remains sustainable and honest. You finish each session by writing one clear lesson and a micro goal for tomorrow. This closes the loop and directs behavior. When you miss days, don't punish yourself. Write a 3-sentence recap to regain orientation and resume the rhythm. If resistance lasts more than 3 days, simplify, cut to 1 sentence per section to reduce friction. Make sure to review weekly highlights so the journal guides change, because the why, consistent small choices, creates lasting results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.